Alright, so I'm gonna do a bike check here. I just started YouTube, and that's mainly because I have to make a YouTube video for extra credit for my biology class. But I thought I might put some BMX stuff in there. So for this bike check, I'm gonna start off with the back and move to the front. So I got Profile Mini Hub, purple. It's kind of dusty, but I don't care. G Sport Hub Guard. I'm trying to get all four so I can get like all four pegs. Odyssey Hazard Light rim. BSD Donna Squeak tires. I don't know why it shows green, but I guess that's how it is. I don't know. Colt PC pedals. I don't know what cranks these are, but I got them for a good deal, and I put a shadow sticker on it so they look like shadow cranks. Premium sprocket, shadow interlock V2 chain. Some random seat post that, I don't know, the seat post is seat post. And shadow seat, I sharpied it because so it can match the hubs, but it just wore off. I don't really care. Premium 21-inch frame because I'm a tall person. And Odyssey, I think they're R25s. They're not in the 30s, they're in the 20s or like 28 or whatever it is. I don't know. Profile Mini Hub for the front. Female Odyssey Hazard Light rim. BSD Donna Squeak tire for the front. Alright, now my favorite part is this. Primo 10-inch bars. Colt Vans grips. And then Colt top load stem. Colt Salvation top load stem V2. I have a FSA dust cap and United headset bearings. Still works all the same. I just like this because it's tall, and then like a 5mm spacer right there. And yeah, that's my bike.